welcome back to the library. I'm going to show you some new things that we have right now. I know you're going to be excited for them. We've got a stack of new graphic novels. The first one I want to show you, I've read the chapter book and I loved it. Escape from Mr. Lemoncello's Library is now a graphic novel. I haven't read this one. The chapter book was great. I hope you love it. This looks super cute. It's going to be a new series. It's called Curl Friends, about a girl who is, I think she belongs to a military family. Her family moves a lot, so she's constantly starting life in new schools. She's got some crazy curly hair, and she's just trying to fit in at her new middle school. So this looks like a sweet book. If you guys like Wings of Fire, I know a lot of you do. We've got the newest, book 7. It is called Winter Turning. Check it out. I know that one is not going to stay on the shelf very long. We've got a new Bad Kitty Makes a Movie. Those are super cute and funny. And we've got this great book called Stepping Stones. It's a sweet story about these two friends. They fight, they make up. It's great. So I hope you'll enjoy this one too. Let's move on to some picture books. Oh, we have got the next book in this series, the Marya Khan series. These are sweet books. Quick chapter books. Probably about now, 1st grade, 2nd grade, even 3rd grade. I think you would really, really enjoy these. So this is a sweet series. I think this is the 3rd one that we have. Oh gosh, right? Just snow already. I don't think I have to say anything else. Check it out. Maybe we'll get some snow this year. We've got this one is super cute, called Witch and Wombat. Every witch needs a cat. Not exactly the cat she thought she had in mind. This is really cute. We've got the next Jory John book. This is called The Big Cheese. I know you guys are going to enjoy that one. Oh, this story is so sweet. I hadn't heard of it before, so I spent a little time looking at it. It's called Posy's Problem. It's about a pony named Posy, and the girls who ride her keep outgrowing her, and so she keeps having to find new families with younger girls to ride her, and then finally she finds a family that's going to keep her forever. But it's really, really sweet. So Posy teaches a lot of young girls how to ride horses. If you love horses and riding, this is a great story. This is super cute. I'm Going to Be a Princess, a story about inspirational Black women and girls. This is a really, really good one to have. I know a lot of you are learning about Jan Brett in library right now. We've got another one of her stories called The Mermaid. This is kind of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears, but told in a little different way. And of course, in all Jan Brett fashion with amazing illustrations. So I hope you really, really like this book. We've got this, my books are falling over. We've got this new one called The Grand Hotel of Feelings. It's all about how all of our feelings need space and deserve space, whether we are angry or happy or excited or sad. There's a time for all of those feelings. It's a really good story. We've got, especially kindergarten, when you were starting out the year and learning about shapes. I know this one is going to come in handy for you kindergarten teachers out there. It's a really cute book, Brown Rabbit's Shapes. Finally, we were just talking about this book. This is called Survivor Tree. I had not heard of this book until we got it here in the library. This is all about 9/11 and the Twin Towers, and how during that disaster and the chaos, there was a lone tree that survived the bombings at the World Trade Center. So it's about how that tree continued to grow. They dug it up, they replanted it. It's actually still growing there in New York City at the site of the World Trade Center. So I kind of get goosebumps even thinking about this book. The illustrations are really, they're really beautiful. And so teachers, anytime, but especially next fall, if you're doing a lesson about 9/11, this would be a great story for your class to read. That is all the new books that we have for this installment of unboxing and new books in the library. So, help me out, please. Slam that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.